All right, so we are on week 3 this week. So let's take a look at what we got going on here. So Monday, you have a review activity. This one, if you're struggling with a certain type of conversions, let me know and let's set up a time maybe on Wednesday to work on it. That's why there's time to, maybe get some stuff done. But you're going to download the Conversion Review Bingo assignment, and there's directions right there. But basically every answer is a blank on the bingo board. When you get blackout, you can submit. Tuesday, you're taking notes, watch the video lecture, take notes and submit. There'll be a little activity at the end. If you need a little bit of extra time because Monday ran long, then that's fine. Wednesday, take a little time to do that. Because the only thing you have to do is a review worksheet on Wednesday, review from the unit, take as many times as needed to get 100%. Thursday, we have a lab, is a Chuck It lab. There's directions here, take and submit. It's very similar in terms of the layout and structure to the paper towel lab from last week. And Friday, we have quiz on elements 1 through 20. It is only available on Friday. So take that one first and then watch the screencast. You don't have to take any notes with it, and then take this little short quiz on analyzing graphs. You can take that one as many times as you need to in order to get 100%. All right, good luck this week. Let me know if you have questions. Make sure that you study the element flashcards number 1 through 20 every single day. All right, bye.